It's beautiful evening here in Bali. Well, it's cloudy, but it's not rainy, and we decided to come to Ubud to enjoy our little afternoon together and at the same time make a cool video for you as always every single day since 1265 days. Oh my god, that's 3.5 years already or so. Okay, and Ubud, well, never gonna disappoint you, like I said many times, it's always busy.
Alright, happy weekend everybody. So now we are in Ubud. We'll show you for those of you who miss Ubud 5. Oh my god, loud bikes. Who miss Ubud 5. So today we will stroll around to showing you how is Ubud Center. So let's check it out. Oh, traffic already.
Already traffic, a lovely family making something here. And yeah, the traffic is actually starting for no reason. Loud bike. Unknown reason because the motorbikes and the cars should be not allowed to park on the side of the street. And normally if they are not parked, there is no traffic jam, but for some reason the cars stuck here again, and it's recently 4:30 p.m. Saturday afternoon. So yeah, traffic is back somehow. The beverage delivery guy delivering goods for you, some shops and everything, of course. And then where is the end of the road, there is the central location. You know, but that's where we're heading right now. That's the already more central location. I wanted to film actually the restaurants on the other side of the street. However, all the cars blocking the way basically. Actually, I'm surprised as the traffic is so bad today. And I don't see actually people parking on the side of the road. So that means actually is busier and busier, you know, but more busier than I thought. Even I knew it's busy. So yeah, this is it actually. Pretty busy indeed. And just behind the corner is the art market and all the action. So yeah, see you there eventually. And yeah, this is it. Yeah, the main Ubud art market situation and the King Palace situation. What's going on today here? Pretty busy enough for me. That's the market, obviously. Police officer, motorbikes and cars. Remember, this is hotspot for the controls, so better wear the helmets like those people doing. That's good on them. And and there is ceremony at the front actually, some sort of. That's why it's busier. This is it there. So Ubud situation will never disappoint you basically.
So let's show you how is the Ubud traditional market. Seems like what I can say then, mixed feeling basically. The traffic is never ending, right?
Never ending traffic. But somehow the people actually staying on the street is just average, just regular for the November, early December actually nearly. But the traffic, yeah, the amount of cars in Bali is big. And then, of course the market. In case it's gonna be rainy, at least now they have a roof. Alright, we're gonna show you a little bit of the market and overall situation. You know, just a regular afternoon in Ubud. Well, one of the most popular places in Bali so far right now, 2023. Even the weather is not so good, even it's already the very low season. Well, still quite a lot of plenty people around, hanging around in Ubud. That's without any jobs. For sure. Quick shot inside of the art market. As always, regular stuff. Somehow, if you missed what they have it here, this is what they have it here. Yeah, basically. In case it rains, here at least you will dry. And this is also the situation upstairs. I never been upstairs in this market, so they make a glass floor like this one. There's shops everywhere. And of course you can have a little view of what's going on outside of the market, but from the second floor. And there is the market on the street. So yeah, we are going here a little bit because I need to buy actually something on this market today. So I have opportunity to show you a little bit more from the areas where normally I'm not coming. Nice. All right, we got some goods. Quite a lot of actually, but that's a long story. Anyway, we got our goods, and that's the art market, the walking street and the building. No rain so far, so we are going to Jalan Gautama now, and we're gonna do like a loop, like always actually when we are in Ubud, right?
Right. We'll show you how it is. It's kind of low season. Even like the sellers inside the market saying like, if Ubud, it's kind of low season. So yeah.
But low season have a benefit. It's good season for shopping. That's the situation here, fruits and everything. Yes, very, very nice. Money changer recently, the situation like this one as well. Inside there is something like a statue or something. Yeah, currency exchanges recently like this one. Everywhere you can buy those kind of rattan bags. And that's the also restaurant here, like this one. Traffic, of course, the situation. Simply Social is nice in general. During pandemic was recently, it was totally quiet. It's better, and overall, that's what's going on. Actually, it's surprisingly low season, but it's surprisingly pretty, pretty busy actually for the low season. That's for sure, without any doubts. They even selling like batik silk pajamas on the on the street. Jalan Gautama, right?
All right, so now I will show you the world famous Jalan Gautama. So yeah, the world famous walking street.
Let's go, let's go. Plenty of restaurants. Actually, last time when I filmed here, I filmed a little bit different sides of Ubud, and I just entered to the street a little bit. Nice flowers though. And then just end up there. Where is the there? Exactly. I use my umbrella as the pointer on today's video. Finished last video, so I will show you a little bit more. Remember there was the 75,000 shawarma here with the little bit of the chicken on the top, and then that's it. But you can buy the very fancy T-shirt of magic mushroom, fungi, growing, interesting. Hello, and overall, thanks. And then there is a lot of restaurants actually, a lot of restaurants everywhere around. Oops, ladies driving there. Also some guest houses. This is like a kind of walking street, I could say. Okay, at least the cars are not allowed to enter here, only motorbikes, but it's still better than, like, you know, full of traffic and stuff. So basically you can find some small boutique shops, and then some restaurants, spas and stuff like this one. So it's cool, actually very cozy vibes here. There's something like in the garden, like a restaurant, and Balinese restaurant and the guest house at the same time. Cool, actually. It's like entering to somebody's house technically, isn't it?
Very nice concept.
Yeah, very interesting. Yes, creative, I have to say. And then, yeah, even if somehow, sometimes nobody is driving, it's even a little bit quiet here. Okay, calm, peaceful, and then of course somebody will drive the bike. But overall, we got the point of view. There's another restaurants, actually a lot of restaurants, and shops where you can buy your outfit, what is suitable somehow to the Bali vibes. However, I'm not really into this stuff. You're not gonna see me much wearing the shirt like this though, not in Bali. Oh, here we go, nice. You can chill, enjoy like this one. And yeah, of course the houses. Not all of them they have a business, so this is like just the house. But most of them they have some business inside, either guest house or their cafe or so on, some shop. This one actually looks nice. Like this one looks actually nice. They are like wines and everything, and it's going up there. So this is the main street actually already outside of the Jalan Gautama, and the traffic suddenly came. Where is the golden monkey and everything, and of course the entrance to the Jalan Gautama on the other side, as you see, is here. So there is quiet. You can basically walk and enjoy, and here is already the traffic. A lot of traffic. I wonder where all of those people coming from and where they are going, because I don't know, it's always curious. And also a lot of people always asking me where all those people going. Somewhere, that's for sure. And yeah, and of course even on the main street you can find a lot of goods. This is the stadium, where is the parking area, and I just realized after making few videos here and saying as they took the football pitch, they give up the half of the football pitch actually, as you can see, and the half is only taken by the parking, which is good and bad thing. Good thing, okay, kids have a place to play, but they don't play either. And then the parking is so busy right now as it's not enough space for the people, so that's why it's probably the traffic jam everywhere, which is like there is no perfect solution for this one. Seems like Bali Ubud perhaps will need 2 football pitches like this one to make a parking lot, and probably will be busy. So as you can see, the 360 actually 2 times everywhere is traffic and it's busy, and it's already like 5 o'clock. Yes, sayang.
All right, I think that's all our video today from Ubud. So seems like in the rush hour traffic jam already started. I think that we will go home a bit later, Riahan, yeah?
A lot of guys do, because
yes.
walking is faster than
That's the thing.
the
In
driving.
Ubud, walking is faster than driving a car. Okay, I think that's all our video today. Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow. Bye.